Video is about your pages. When you access your website backend, here are your pages. You click on pages, all pages, and here are all your main pages. There are additional pages which I have hide from the administration so that you do not get confused. If you want to access those pages, you click on settings, hide pages, and here are those other pages that if you see, they have to do with the account, the membership, and all that. If you want them to appear at the main section of the administration, like I just showed you, all you need to do is delete the command here, and then they will reappear where all the other pages are. But anyways, let me start with documents. Everything that once you put your mouse on top of the page, you see all these links. You will always edit your page with this link here that says edit with Elementor. You click on that, and this is what's going to happen. Okay, this is a page that has documents. Okay, I put them in the form of a button, and I will show you how to do that. Let me see. Let's suppose that this is going to be the most complex of everything, which is uploading a file and having other people being able to access that file. Okay, I'm going to explain to you exactly how I did this. First of all, let's suppose that I want to create another area under this buttons here. Okay, I am going to add a new section. I'm going to select, let me see, I'm going to select, since I already got 4 cells here, I'm going to select 4 cells. There you go. Okay, now I'm going to create insert here a button. So I'm going to go to this section and drag the button icon over here. Right away on this section, that opens up with all the parameters so you can make changes to this button. I want it to be in the center, number 1. I want it to be that color. That color comes with the type, info. There you have it. I wanted to put a message. My new document. Okay? So far, we're done here. But now you have to attach the new file. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to save this information by clicking update. Okay? Now this is saved. I want to upload the new file, the new document. So this is what I will do. I'm going to exit by clicking on this area, exit to dashboard. Click on media, add new. Next, select files. And let me see if I find a PDF file somewhere. Give me a second. Okay, let's suppose that this file here was a PDF. You can upload PDF, you can upload up to anything. You open, when you open, it's going to upload. You see it right here. Now this is ready. The next thing we need to do is we need to click on edit. Now you see this string of information right here, this URL. You're going to copy this. Copy. We're done. Now we're done. Now we're going to go back to pages, all pages. We're going to go back to the documents, and we're going to assign this link to this new button. So you click on top of it, right away this window opens where it says link. You're going to paste that link. Paste. There you have it. Link options. You click on this little round thing, open in a new window. It's better that you select open in a new window so that your website stays there and the new document opens in a new window. Now I'm going to click update. I will go now to the page itself. Okay. To see if what I did is working. Go to, what was it? It was documents, correct. Now, only you have access to this page, nobody else. And I will show you how to change that too. Let's see. I'm just trying to find that access that I gave you. Bear with me. I think it's here. This is the new password. So I'm going to go click on paste that so I can see the contents. Enter. There you go. This is the new button that we created. If I click on it, there's the image, there's the PDF. That will be a PDF in your case. So this is how you do this. Let me eliminate all this. And that's it, update this. That's how you do that part. As of anything else, any other page, let me go to any other page. Very simple. You see, you click on top of this, you can change you can do the changes here. Restricted area, let me change it to welcome. Welcome, there you go. See, you can do any change right here. If you want to add anything, this is very simple. This is an editor that is very friendly. If you read a little bit, columns, I'm gonna go ahead and stick some columns right under this here. Let me see if I can do it. No, I can't do it there. I'm sorry, I have to create a section. I can select the columns here, but I'm not going to do it. I'm going to put the section now. I'm going to select the columns, drop them here. You can make this one wider and this one smaller, vice versa. You can duplicate more columns. Look at that, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you can start by clicking on this icon here. You can start inserting whatever you want to do. You want to put an image, you drag it here. Then you look for your image. There we go with that one. Insert. There's your image right there. This is a very simple editor. If you want to input some text, some content, text editor, you put it here. There's the text, and you make all the changes here. If you want to format this text, you click on Style. Here's the color of the text. Let's put it like it's just black. Typography. Let me see the size of the text. You see? There you go. And something which is very important. I mean, there's a bunch of format parameters here, but I just want you to you will have to go little by little through this, and decoration, style, transform if you want to uppercase. There you go, now everything's uppercase. There's a lot of stuff to play with here. But this is something very important what I will show you now, which is, you see this little icon here? The TV, well, the computer, you click on that. You're looking at your website from the desktop type of, this is important because sometimes you may make changes here that don't look good in a telephone or a tablet. You click on tablet, see? So far, decent. You click on a mobile, there you go, see? But if you don't like this, now you can go here. See that we have again 1, 2, 3 icon, the telephone icon. You can work on this and make the size a little bit smaller. You see, so that it adapts to the mobile, to the other interface. So now your website can be seen on those three. On the desktop, it looks good. On the tablet, it looks good, and on the cell phone. And then all you do is click update and you're done. Okay, so this is all there is about editing pages. It's very simple. Here are your objects. Sorry. And every time you add a section, then when you click on the plus sign, this window opens with all the different, you want a map? There you go, there's a map. Google Map. You want, again, click here. You want a heading for that map. You put it on top of the map. There's the heading for that tab. So this is very, very simple. It is actually fun. Okay, so this should help you with that. Now, the protected page is very important. I don't want to go without showing you that. Let me exit to the administration, exit to the dashboard, leave the page. I haven't saved anything. Now look at this. You go to all pages, documents, you click on edit, in this case, just edit. This page is password protected. You see it right here. You click edit. Here's that password. Anthony, you should change this to your own password. You should change it right away once you get all this information. This is the only page that nobody else except the administrator can see, and anyone with, this is important, anyone with administration access, not just the pages but the whole, this back end here, will be able to see this. So be careful who you give this information to.